Hey guys, my name's Frank, and this is my workshop. Alright guys, project today is to replace the sound bar on the TV here on my boat. The original sound bar was installed almost 10 years ago. I've replaced the TV with a smart TV, and now I want to put on a sound bar that has optical input. It doesn't require a separate remote control in order to get it to work. So we want a sound bar with optical or HDMI ARC, audio return channel, in order for the TV to turn on the sound bar. When you turn the TV on, you don't have to mess with a separate remote control. So that's today's project. Alright, let's take an old sound bar off. It just clips on with a couple screws. Alright. Alright, the sound bar hooks on with two keyed screw slots. So we've measured the distance between them, marked the distances here. We need clearance so that we can put it on and have it drop down. It needs to be, these screws need to be 2 inches below this. And then of course we have power, and we're going to use the optical input. I have an optical cable. These we won't need anymore, so we'll remove those. So here's the new optical cable. Run up to the TV. I'll do that in a minute. And it's going to come down to there. Alright, that wasn't pretty, but it got through. Just make sure the plug clears that. Yep, okay. Alright, so we got optical and power cable. Alright, so let's relocate these screws. Putting a screw through this trim, likely to split it, but I think if I drill a pilot hole, reduce the risk of splitting it. Okay. Closer there makes it look a lot better. We can still put this foam behind it. That'll cushion it and alright. Let's give it a test here. Turn the TV on. And mode is optical. Look at that, Hogan's Heroes. Alright, let's just make sure it's working here.
CBS presents this program in color.
Alright, so looks like success on the soundbar installation. Alright, let's see if it turns off when we turn the TV off. Okay, looks like it turned off there. Alright, that's one more boat project done. Soundbar seems to be working. That's all for this video. See you guys next time.